now preheat this bike. We're just gonna leave it on idle for a bunch of minutes like this, that the oil becomes nice and liquid, and we'll proceed with the oil change. Now that the bike is heating up, we're gonna put back to place the Savora. So guys, on the new CRF there's only one oil plug, and it's an all-in bolt, and it's this one you can see down here. It's a 10 socket, Allen key socket. So we'll take this off, having your jar up. Obviously you have to take out the engine cover first, and we're gonna unbolt it. So this is the first oil change that the bike is actually gonna get, but just to make sure, we're gonna change everything, so including even the oil filter, and this is how you do it. You grab an 8mm. Make sure to remove the spring with it. This does not come with a new filter, so make sure not to lose that or to drop it in the oil. So we're gonna inspect it with some paper and make sure that there's no metal residue inside the filter. We'll grab the new oil filter and we're gonna oil it up a little bit around the gaskets and fit it back onto its bushing, and in it goes. Make sure you're putting it in the right way around. This hole has to align with the inner one. So guys, we're not actually using a measuring cup because what this engine needs once you did oil and oil filter is literally 1 liter, which is the whole bottle of motor. So we're just gonna grab it and pour it in slowly. So we're gonna check the oil level, which is perfect. Seems even too high right now. Another thing we're gonna actually check is the water level on it and see if it's all good. And we're actually dry on that. So we're gonna cap it off with some new fluid. So now that we topped off that, we're gonna actually let the bike idle, and then we're gonna check for all the brake levels are in a good level. They have a nice color. So guys, the bike is ready to go back to the customer, and nothing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video if you did. Leave us some comment if you want to see some specific content on our page, and see you guys next time.